Congee is a simple yet incredibly flavorful rice porridge that has been enjoyed for centuries across Asia. It's a blank canvas for endless toppings and variations, making it a perfect meal for any time of day. In this video, we'll walk you through the basic congee recipe and share some tips for customizing it to your taste. Ingredients: 1 cup white rice, rinsed. 8 cups chicken or vegetable broth. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1-inch knob of ginger, peeled and sliced. Scallions, thinly sliced, for garnish, optional. Sesame seed oil or soy sauce, for serving, optional. Instructions: combine the rice, broth, salt, and ginger in a large pot. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low and simmer for 1 hour, or until the rice is softened and porridge thickens. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. If the congee becomes too thick, add more broth or water. Once cooked, taste and adjust the seasoning with additional salt if needed. Serve hot in bowls, garnished with scallions, sesame seed oil, and soy sauce. Tips: for a richer flavor, use homemade chicken or vegetable broth. You can also cook congee in a slow cooker or rice cooker. Just follow the manufacturer's instructions for cooking porridge. Feel free to get creative with your toppings. Here are a few ideas: shredded chicken or pork, boiled eggs, century eggs, pickled vegetables, chili oil, chopped nuts, dried shrimp. Congee is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even as a snack. It's also a great way to use up leftover rice. So give this recipe a try and see for yourself why congee is such a beloved comfort food. Feel free to adjust the cooking time depending on how thick you like your congee. If you don't have ginger, you can use another aromatic, such as garlic or scallions. Congee can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently over low heat, adding more broth or water if needed. I hope you enjoyed this congee recipe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and easy recipes. Thanks for watching.